Whitley, it is impossible for me to put into words the passion and infinite embrace you have on my heart. You make me a full person. Committing the rest of my life to you is actually pretty easy because without you, I am nothing. As we begin our life together in front of those whom we're closest to, I make the following vows. I vow to wake up every morning and thank God that He gave me you, my perfect woman, and I vow to be your steady rock in the turbulent times of moving, losing seasons, and probably getting fired. I vow to put your needs before my own, and I vow to be the man that you inspire me to be, and the man that you deserve, more importantly. Finally, I vow to spend every day I have left on this earth showering you with zealous love, faithful commitment, and tons of snuggles. I love you, Nugget.
My sweet Corey. Many said the world would end when Corey Headley decided to get married. And here we are, and they weren't far off. Our world will truly never be the same. In the same way, I've known since the night that we met, from the moment you said, I'm all in on Whitley True, you were going to change my life. 2 years and 2 moves later, life has been a complete whirlwind, full of chaos, excitement, adventures, and a whole lot of love. Your passion for life, the way you love people, and how you crave to see this beautiful world. God made you to be mine. Corey, I choose you to be my husband. I promise to love you the way God designed us to, fully and unconditionally. Even when you lose important things, like our keys or wedding bands, maybe our future children, I don't know. I promise to be your biggest fan and teammate and support you in fulfilling your every dream, no matter where it takes us. I'm sorry, Mom, that might mean Washington at some point.
West Virginia.
I promise to strive to fill our lives with endless movie snuggles, dances in the kitchen, and travels around the world. I promise to seize every opportunity to make you feel as loved as you make me feel. No matter what, we'll be riding in our big rocket ship through our life together, and I love you more than anything.
Don't lose hold of me now. I'm barely hanging on.
Corey, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to introduce to you today, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Corey Headley.
From me now, I'm barely hanging on somehow.